Today we're going to do paper marbling, which comes from Japan.
Welcome back, amazing artists. Today's lesson is going to be in Japanese paper marbling. Japanese marbling originated in the 12th century, and it was originally done with sume ink. It was ink that was floating on the surface of the water. Today, we're not going to use sume ink because you probably don't have it at home, but we're going to use nail polish. Nail polish will give us a really amazing effect and lots of bright colors.
For this project, you will need the following supplies: water and a container to pour it, a water tray or pan, any paper, nail polishes, paper towels, a plastic fork or chopsticks to stir the paint.
The first thing you're going to need to do is pour some water into a pan. You can use a baking tray, a reusable aluminum pan. There's lots of different options, or if you even happen to have a paper tray. So you're just gonna pour a thin layer in. Remember to ask an adult if you need help getting the water. You want to cover the entire surface of the water. You're also going to need to make sure you have some sort of paper to produce the marbling on. I'm just using blank computer paper. You can use art paper, you could use construction paper. Any type of paper will really work for this. I wouldn't suggest tracing paper, that probably won't work. You're also going to need either chopsticks or a fork or both. That's going to help us to move the paint around, or the nail polish in this case. So you can start wherever you want, with whatever colors you want. So I'm going to start with pink. And the idea is just to drop it from a little bit distance above. You want it to sit on the surface. Let me bring you in for a close-up. Now, using either your chopstick or your fork, you're going to carefully move and swirl the paint. In this case, actually nail polish. If some sticks, that's okay. I'll show you how the fork works. So the fork, just very gently, very, very gently, dragging it and moving things. Then you're going to take your paper. You want to completely submerge. You even want the water to go onto the back. Completely submerge the paper.
I hope you had fun marbling paper with me today. I can't wait to see the colors you chose. Save these papers as we'll be using them in an upcoming project. Hope to see you on here soon. Bye-bye.